I just got a chance to go hands-on with the new Lenovo Legion Go. That is a new entry in the suddenly crowded category of handheld gaming PCs. It really kicked off a little more than a year ago with the Steam Deck from Valve. Now, the Steam Deck ran SteamOS. These newer systems, including the Lenovo, run Windows 11, which means it's easy to play games from Steam or from Xbox Game Pass or from the Epic Game Store or anything like that. What I really liked about the Legion Go in my very short hands-on time with it is that it's got a much bigger screen than some of these other systems. It's an 8.8-inch screen. It's a high-res screen, 144 Hertz, so you get a high refresh rate. I'm not sure what that's going to do for the battery life, but it's going to be easy to see, and it's not going to be too small, especially when you're playing a game with, let's say, a lot of on-screen text, and that's something the Steam Deck struggles with. The unique twist here is that this brings together some of the best parts of all the other handheld gaming systems you could think of. It's got a touchpad like the Steam Deck, which I really appreciate, and the two side controllers pop off like on a Nintendo Switch, and we have not seen that on one of these gaming PCs before, and I think that's really interesting for sitting back, setting up the screen, and using the handheld controllers. You can actually use one with a little attachment, almost like a mouse, like moving around the table. Like the other handheld gaming PCs we tried, it's AMD powered. In this case, it is a Ryzen Z1, comes with 16 gigs of RAM, and there'll be different configurations with different amounts of internal storage, but you're going to run out no matter what, because PC games are big. Fortunately, there's a micro SD card slot, so you can expand the storage yourself. The Lenovo Legion Go should hit stores in October, starting at $699.